Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamenta kasngi. Unong yalam kalyang persya u Dr.Mukul sangma open pau kajing artatien yakani ka sarkar MDA bakamla ban shimkhya ban pynbeit yaki kam yakran yasuk ya ka seng HNLC. Kumbaka kashuri kabatokit yaki mukadduma junga National Investigating Agency INA ya ka bala pinmi hukum baki nong yalam junga te ka seng kinnet ban sha bishar yaladi. Henry ka jingne ka sarkar MDA kam shimkhya ka yale ban kyar ban wan ra e ka jing yakran yasung ka badang ya shakmat ong u Dr.Mukul sangma. U Dr.Mukul u ai jingkran shikilat pathai khubor hadin ka jing yalang jung ka seng TMC 70 North Shillong ka jingsdang jung ka jing yakran yasuk bat ka sarkar ka HNLC ka deban nong ka basyai babaro ki jing pinben ki deban pindem. Kalong ke ka basngosi banyo i ba ka sarkar kamdan jingmut banwan ra syakami jing yakran wat lada don ka jing tokin nakibor kaan pinsngo u Dr.Mukul sangma. Lada wat u konrat sangma menteri rangba ka jilla lembat u malakmen rembui kilakran syai ba ka jingkhot bishar jong ka NIA kanum penthut satya ya ka jing yakran yasuk bar ka HNLC ka sarkar ka deban khmi bnya.
You see, that was one of the call that the state government had to take during our time. Because this engagement has always been collective, involving both the state and the union government. And therefore, have the state failed to ensure that the government of India is on board in as far as these conditions are concerned. I am questioning the government. Have they not taken the government of India on board pertaining to these small, minute details which can be a factor to create the kind of dislocation which we are apprehensive of, given the kind of situation that we are seeing. All the cases that are filed against the members of the organization must be, over a period of time, withdrawn after the negotiation text settlement is signed. Didn't we do that? Even now, as we say, number of the cases after the disbanding of the NBC and after number of cadres agreed to dealing themselves in respect of GNLA, members of other associations, other organizations, when they agreed to accept the offer of the state government and delink or dissociate themselves from their parent organization, terrorist organization, and come over ground to assimilate themselves with the nation and be part of the whole progress and prosperity, the good story of development. What is happening now? I have been told by many of these cadres that even till now, they are made to go and attend to many of the cases that has been filed against them. Well, you are all aware, this whole process is a continuous process. We could not even complete the whole counseling process and rehabilitation package that was designed by the state government in respect of other organizations like those members who withdrew and came and surrendered from GNLA and other organizations. This government abandoned this youth. Some of them have been deprived of what was promised. This does not indicate the commitment with which the state government wanted to engage in dialogue and generate that kind of hope and also the trust and confidence. I'm afraid these are precursors to create that kind of lack of trust and confidence. Lack of trust, even when you build a family between husband and wife, you know what happens when there's a lack of trust. So similarly in the society, government must have the reasons to believe that whatever policy decision they take, whatever measures they embark upon, pertaining to any issue, pertaining to any related, whether contentious or non-contentious, it must indicate seriousness, honesty, and